Let's try this week's crumble cookies, and we have a special guest, my sister.
Hey, y'all.
Also, Crumble Cookie is now selling 8 cookies of the week instead of 6. The fuck? I'm not falling for the propaganda. We're sticking with 6. So I didn't get the chocolate chip one because it's mediocre. The pink sugar cookie was the other one. Way too sweet for me. So let's try strawberry shortcake first. It's warm. The fuck? That's actually one of the best crumble cookies I've ever had. The fuck? I just broke the peanut butter one. The fuck? Wait, this is the peanut butter something or other.
Peanut butter with some chocolate.
Oh, the fuck?
She a little messy.
The fuck?
I love peanut butter.
That is so good. The fuck?
It's warm too. The fuck?
No, sometimes I get the minis and they just never taste as good as the regulars. The fuck?
They slack on the regulars. Or they slack on the minis.
Next is the butter cake.
Full bite. Don't even tell me.
The fuck? That is fire. The fuck?
The topping's like a vanilla bean, maybe?
The fuck?
It's kind of light too, honestly.
Next is the New York cheesecake. Doesn't taste like cheesecake at all. The fuck? Next is oatmeal raisin. That is fucking good. The fuck?
That's really good. They definitely just made these.
Last but certainly not least is the M&M. The fresh batch of crumble cookies I've ever had with my sister. The fuck?